Let's hook up to my bike. Reconnect bike. There we go. So this is a Trek FX Plus. It's a pedal assist bike. So we're gonna set it on. It's on, so we're gonna turn on the lowest power mode on eco mode. It can go up to mid and high, but I ride at eco. So we're gonna turn on my workout. Everything, every ride's a workout. Let's go. Let's see how this footage comes out. Hopefully I got the right stabilization on. Right now in downtown, they have downtown Burleson, they got the farmers market Saturday morning. We'll see what's up right now. Let's go to, I guess let's ride and let's record. That diesel sounds mean. That's all I need my. Oh. That's how I want my diesel to sound. But of course you gotta delete it, and I ain't ready for that yet. Let's turn off the headlight. There we go. I need to ride more. Let's see. The ultimate goal is to get on a road bike. No cars are coming. Let's go and cross. And we're in downtown. It's gonna get a stupid pack later. And there is the farmer's market. I want to set up there. Morning. I want to set up shop there one day. I don't want to sell anything. I want to just for advertisement. Advertisement for my business. I don't think I'm able to. Went through the back part of the. Ooh, Twisted Sisters. I've been wanting to come here and eat. Oh, that dried fruit is good. Barbecue. Yeah, it's too early for that right now. Walnut Farms. Teal donuts and coffee. What the hell? That's enough. Popcorn. Let's go. Back to the shop. Step it up a little bit and go faster. Nope. Let's get in the left lane. Turn left. I got turn signals, I forgot. And let's go. Let's go. Oh, I like going through here. This is an old Burleson feed mill. Oh, shit. I think I'm gonna look into getting some. Oh, shit. Almost spilled out. F***ing gravel. Oh, wrong side of the road. There we go. Oh no! I think I got a fucking flat. Shit. I think I do. Hell yeah. I got a goddamn flat. Hurry back to the shop. Eco mode, high speed. Oh yeah, it's going down. How about lo madre? On the valve. How the fuck? Ah. Ni modo. I'll get it fixed today. And that's it. Let's go edit this.